Hello guys, this video is based on pre-hackathon assignment organized by Level Supermind. My team name is BinaryNerds. Myself Shravani and my team members are Ritik, Soham and Aryan. We have developed an web application which analyzes social media performance. This is pre-hackathon assignment PDF. Social media performance analysis is the title. The main objective is to develop basic analytics module utilizing LangFlow and data stacks to analyze engagement data from mock social media account. Data stack AstraDB for database operations and LangFlow for workflow creation and ChatGPT integrations are the major required tools. The details of task are given here, and also the example output is shown. So this is the flow of web application. It consists of various components such as chat input, STRDB database, parse data, text output, prompt, llama model, and chat output. It starts with chat input. The chat input component is used to take inputs from the user that can be questions or the data. Then the chat input component is connected to prompt. The STRDB database consists of various data. Uh, then it is connected to parse data, which basically converts data into text. To convert the data into text, the parse data is connected to text output, which converts the data into text and then flows from parse data to prompt. The prompt has two main components, that is context and questions. The questions are inputted from chat input and the context is taken from parse data and from database. The prompt is then connected to Llama model, which works based on the questions and the context and displays output on the chat output portion.
Hello friends, my name is Aryan. So I'll be explaining you the how we have connected the LangFlow model that we have created using API and other parts to the front end of our code. So this is our server.file, which is the entire backend of the code. The LangFlow .ts is the basically TypeScript file which connects the backend to the front end. It holds all the API calls and the necessary requirement code to connect the LangFlow model that we have created to the front end of our code. So the flow ID or name is the specific LangFlow ID, and the LangFlow ID is the initiation of LangFlow instance. So next we grab the application token from the environment variables, and then finally we initialize the LangFlow client in the backend. So this is the entire backend of the code through which we initialize a server which is on the port 8000, and we pass that server to the front end of the code. So this is the user interface of our program. We are running this on the localhost 5173, which is the default for any project. So we have created this using React plus Vite. We are using Vite for the faster implementation and faster rendering of the components. And for the designing of the components and any fonts, we are attaching the CSS file to the React components. So here basically we can input any prompt that you want to ask. So basically if I want to ask the data about the let's say user ID 56, so I will write uh, give me the insights of the user ID 56 search. This animation is also created with the help of the React and CSS. So this is the output screen of the project. Here you can see the prompt that we have entered. So we asked for the user ID 56. So the prompt, the model has given the user ID 56 has a name Matthew 94 and he's from West County. He's 57 years old and the user is a female. It is also showing the how many followers she has, how many following she has, and what is the last post she had posted, whether it be a video or a normal photo. What are the likes and what are the comments, what are the shares, and also it compares to its previous post and gives us the engagement ratio if it is higher or lower than the previous post. So it will be easier for user to analyze and post accordingly next time. So that is our final project, and this is the entire output of this project. Thank you for listening to the video. Like, share, and subscribe, and share it with your friends if you find this informative.